राजा ज्वाला प्रसाद आर्य इंटर कॉलेज बिजनौर में जनपद स्तरीय बाल विज्ञान संगोष्ठी का आयोजन हुआ, जिसका उद्घाटन जिला विद्यालय निरीक्षक व कॉलेज के प्रधानाचार्य कैप्टन विशन लाल ने मां सरस्वती के सम्मुख दीप प्रज्वलित करके किया। जिला विज्ञान समन्वय संधांशु वत्स ने बताया कि राज्य विज्ञान शिक्षा संस्थान व जिला विद्यालय निरीक्षक के आदेश पर राजा ज्वाला प्रसाद आर्य इंटर कॉलेज बिजनौर में जनपद स्तरीय विज्ञान संगोष्ठी में जिले के CBSEI, ISCSI व माध्यम विद्यालयों के कक्षा 8 से लेकर 10 तक के बच्चे प्रतिभाग कर रहे हैं। बाल संगोष्ठी का विषय रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता बढ़ना, समय की मांग है, संभावना व चुनौती। इस विषय के जनपद के 14 विद्यालयों के बाल वैज्ञानिकों ने अपने लेक्चर प्रस्तुत किए। इस प्रतियोगिता में प्रथम स्थान DDPS बिजनौर देव रस्तोगी ने प्राप्त किया।
And your immune system is better. Thank you and have a nice day.
Question put up.
Explain the science behind the word fundamental science. Can you explain?
Yes, sir, to increase our immunity, there are as I mentioned in my presentation, there are 3 components which build our immunity. The first one is the physical barrier, which is present in our skin, or you can say mucous membrane. And the second one is the innate immune response, which is the non-specific, and it gets into work immediately or within few hours after the antigen enters our body. And then the third one is the adaptive immune system. It is specific and it takes few days to emerge, but this consists of the antibodies which can be injected by the vaccination. So these are the basic components which build our immunity.
You said that vaccination is the only way to increase our immunity. Is it true?
Yes, sir. It is the only.
If you get vaccinated, then it will fight to the old disease or only 1 or 2 disease.
No, sir. Vaccination is only for a particular disease. For a particular disease, vaccination is there. But to increase our immunity, we should adopt healthy strategies.
Vaccination is for a particular disease only.
Yes, sir.
That is not the immunity booster. This is just the one antibody developed for the only single disease.
Yes,
not the multiple disease.
it is an immunity booster for a particular disease.
Not immunity booster. It's just the vaccination is how it works. How vaccine works in our body.
Sir, vaccination is a biological preparation that provides acquired immunity for a particular disease. And vaccine is like something, a small part of the disease is injected in our body, and then our body fight with it, and it makes antibody of it. So if next time it occurs to ourselves, then that antibody will fight with it, and that will not cause much damage.
Thank you.
नितिन कुमार जी,
कुछ बोलो ना।
प्रथम बार परिचय आए हैं।
एग्जाम टाइम है, थोड़ा सा एक सेकंड बोलो।
And at the moment, the whole world is fighting with an invisible enemy, COVID-19, and one of the best ways to fight this pandemic is by taking adequate precautions, eating healthy, and exercising. There are many causes of lifestyle diseases also, like dehydration, malnutrition, lack of exercise, fatigue, and poor health. In my view, the proper understanding of malnutrition is that when a person do not get enough to eat, or when you consume more dead food in the comparison of living food. At the current situation, anxiety and stress level are also rising due to many reasons and affecting the body's immune system and lower its efficacy. Having a stronger immunity is no rocket science. You just need to incorporate simple yet effective changes in your lifestyle and make them habits. You need to follow some ways like don't smoke, eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables, exercise regularly, get adequate sleep, take the steps to avoid infections suggested by the government, handle stress in the positive way through meditation and yoga. There are many uncertified and unverified claims made in supplement to boost the immunity. But instead of taking these prescriptions, one should consider eating time-tested food routinely consumed by us. And our homemade food recipes are definitely capable of providing outstanding all that is essential for us to strengthen our immunity. Many scientists have pointed out about how misleading the usage of phrase boosting immunity is. Boosting immunity is one hypothetical term, not a medical term. These are promoted by the market-driven companies. It is not something which can be done by the calorie juice or vitamin supplements. So, I want to conclude here, and the best process that do affect our immune system is exercising and a healthy lifestyle. And the only scientifically proven way to boost one immunity is vaccination. So, it is well said by Aaron Brun, you start treating your body right and your immune system is better. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good question. Question put up.
Explain the science behind your fundamental science. Can you explain?
Yes, sir, to increase our immunity, there are as I mentioned in my presentation, there are three components which build our immunity. The first one is the physical barrier, which is present in our skin, or you can say mucous membrane. And the second one is the innate immune response, which is non-specific and it gets in